Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to customize WooCommerce product sorting and ordering. So let's get started. So in here, you can see my shop page. And on default, we will have this sort option right here wherein you can sort it by latest, by popularity, or you can also sort it from low to high as well. So in here, it is actually on default that this option right here has been added. Now you can also head over and then just choose a display by clicking on this customize right here and it will open the WordPress customizer. So from in here, you can see this content options. Head over and click on that. And then you can see in here this display right here. Just head over and click in here as well for WooCommerce. And in here you can see this product catalog. And you can choose which products you want to be shown. You can also see in here the default product sorting. On default, it is by most recent, but in here you can also change by price, by average rating, or anything. So another thing that you can do is if you have in here a product table, so what you can do is you can click on this search and filter, and you can put in here search box, you can hide search input, you can put in here taxonomy keywords, and search on whole site as well as this filter right here that you can actually choose from. So you can show this, then show just click on the save changes right here. Once you have saved your changes, you can head over and scroll up and see what it looks like on your table right now. So let's open our table and let's see what it looks like. So here's my table right here. Now I have in here this filter, which is a search image or search keyword. I also have in here these categories that I want shown and also this filter for this particular category and tag that has been added. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.